Very good morning, class 9th. Today will study the algebraic identities. So some algebraic identities I have written here. The first one, a plus b whole square. So its identity is a square plus 2ab plus b square. The second one, a minus b whole square. So this identity is a square minus 2ab plus b square. The third one is a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. Fourth I have written here a cube plus b cube. If a cube plus b cube is given there, so it is equals to a plus b in one of the bracket into another bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Next, a cube minus b cube is equals to, in one of the bracket, a minus b into another bracket a square plus ab plus b square. Sixth identity, a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab whole multiplied by a plus b. The next one, a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab multiplied by a minus b. And one more, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equals to, in one of the bracket, a plus b plus c whole multiplied by another bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So on the basis of these all identities, we all are going to solve some questions. These identity are written. On the basis of this identity, we'll solve the question. Suppose the first one, we're going to solve. Suppose given, find the value of 36 x square plus 49y square plus 84 xy when x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 6. एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल हम लेते हैं कि हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस एक्सप्रेशन एंड फाइंड इट्स वैल्यू बाय यूजिंग द अलजेब्रिक आइडेंटिटी. आइडेंटिटी को यूज करके कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? अब 36 एक्स स्क्वायर कैन बी रिटन एज 6x whole square plus 49y square can be written as 7y whole square. 7 7 is 49 y square plus 84 can be written as 2 into 6 into 7. This was 84xy can be written as 2 into 6x into 7y. 2 6 are 12, 12 7 are 84, x and y. So now if we'll concentrate on this expression, so it is just like a square plus b square plus 2ab. If this is a square and this is b square, so plus 2a. See, it is a and this one is b. So since a square plus b square plus 2ab, you write here since a square plus b square plus 2ab is equals to a plus b whole square, therefore 6x whole square plus 7y whole square plus 2 into 6x plus 7y can be written as 6x plus 7y whole square. And now put the value of, put x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 6. So here we get 6 into 3 plus 7 into 6 whole square. 18 and plus 42 whole square. 18 plus 42, 60 square is equals to 3600 is the answer. So you have seen by using the identity how I have solved this expression and found its value. So you all learn the identities that I given. Later we always solve some more question which is based on the different types of identities. Thank you.